What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. I got my got her back out. What I'm gonna do some off-road, on-road, then off-road bashing. Let's see how she handles. This thing is a beast. I'm gonna do a comparison to the Skeeter when I get it back up. Well, hold that, Willie. Hard to flip this too. I got to give it a little while before I give a review on it. I don't see no problem so far. This thing is a monster. I don't want to wear the battery. Well, I got extra batteries, so. That takes skill right there. All right, let's do some off-roading now. Oh yeah, I got some nice dirt now. Yo, it was awesome. Yeah, this is an alright car to be 4S. That was nice. Well, Kratons usually jump well anyway. From the 8S to the 6S to the 4S. This thing is a beast. Whoa, this is definitely better off-road, way more fun. It would just pull up, act weird. Boom! Bada boom, bada bing. thing is a beast. And the battery's done. No! Yeah, this thing is a monster, people. This is a pretty good RC car, man. I'm doing a review on it soon. But as for now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, that subscribe notification bell, and I'm out.